These cars originally were, constructed to be race cars, and they didn't have, in theory, a long lifespan. So they just kind of slapped them together, did a quickie paint job, and, send them out on the track. My name is Danny Omasta. I've been a part of the RoadScholars team for 8 years, and I'm the Restoration Shop Manager. I've been restoring cars as a career for about 15 years. I started when I was 17 years old, and I've been very fortunate to work with some of the best technicians in the industry. What I'm painting doesn't matter as much as just chasing the craft. We try not to over-restore them. We do just as much research as we do actual restoration work to ensure that they're not over-restored in most ways. Sometimes the paint can be slightly over-restored, but as far as the construction details and oversprays and wiring and hardware, all of that stuff really needs to be dialed into what it would have originally been. They're so crudely assembled in that time period that anything that we do is going to be way above and beyond how they're originally constructed. So coming to work every day and getting to work on the most expensive and the most historically significant Porsches or automobiles in the world, for that matter, is pretty fucking humbling. Honestly, there's probably nobody else in the world that has painted a 904, a 906, a 910, multiple A-bars, multiple 906s, multiple 550s, each generation of 911 GT car, all the RS cars. And being at RoadScholars allows me to do that.